Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a cute Lion King shirt. So if you want to see how that turns out, make sure you keep watching. Okay, here you'll see that I've already started to print out the Lion King, the Simba that we'll be using on our shirt today. I'm using a Canon inkjet printer, and the paper that I'm using is the Avery for dark fabric. As you can see, the Simba is printing out pretty good, and I did print more than one on one page because I have to do more than one shirt. But even if I didn't, I would have probably done that anyway because I don't like to waste my paper. So I would have found something to print there. Here you'll see that I've already sent my image to the cutting machine. I simply just loaded the settings and put my image on the mat, loaded it into the machine, and hit the start button. If you have any questions about this part, just leave them in the comment section below or send me a message. Next, we're going to load our black vinyl into the machine and go ahead and get that cut. Now we're going to get ready to press our shirt. I have the Simba placed on the shirt on the heat press already, and then I'm going to lay our cover sheet down and we're going to press. The timer goes and we're done. I'm going to lift that up. I'm going to remove that sheet for now, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just straightening it out a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my black vinyl, the Hakuna Matata, and then we're going to press. It's the protective sheet back on the Simba as well, just because I didn't want it to stick to the top of my heat press. I have two different heat press, but today I'm using this fancier studio one, which happens to be my favorite right now. Here I'm just pulling off the carrier from the vinyl. And voila, we're done. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you for watching Life with the McNairs. See you next time.